This seems like the perfect time to find out a little bit more about Orlando's history. So let's get out there and check it out together.
Do you need to relax more? Well, check out our amazing coloring book and you could have a more beautiful day. Check the link in the description.
Hello, localtarians. Sorry if I sound a little gruff this week. I have been under the weather. That is why your video is a little bit late. All right, guys, it's going to be for November 4th, 5th, and 6th. That is your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I'm going to do my best to say this as best I can with as little voice as I have. All right, guys, let's get into Friday. 10 a.m. Capturing the Cosmos at Orlando Science Center. $24. Thursdays through Tuesdays till January 29th. 12 p.m. Lunch and Learn. It's gonna be Central Florida. The boy band craze at Orange County Regional History Center. 0 up to $13 will get you in, and you can check out what the craze was all about. 1 p.m. on Friday, free tutorial Winter Woodland Raccoon online. You can paint this adorable raccoon. We're going to put the link in the description so that you can follow along with this amazing online tutorial. 2 p.m. Grovember Fall Fest and Plant Sale at Mead Botanical Gardens. Come out to this free plant sale. Check out all the amazing things they've got going on and get some tips on growing your great fall garden. 4 p.m. Orlando Greek Fest. This one's here again, guys. Always an amazing time, amazing food, amazing things going on at Holy Trinity Greek Orthodox Church. It is free and going on now until November 6th. 6 p.m. Holiday preview party and open house at Janine Taylor Folk Art. And it's free. Come on out and get excited for the holidays. 7 p.m. Cyclone 9. 7X Factor. Corbin's Breed. Misfit Toys, all playing at Will's Pub. $18 to $20 get you into the door, and you too can enjoy some amazing local music. 7:30 p.m. on Friday, Rocky Horror Picture Show with Shadowcast at Ritz Theater at the Wayne Dench Performing Arts Center. $5. Come on out and let's do the time warp again. 8 p.m. Cashed Out Acoustic In-Store Performance and signing at Park Avenue CDs. Coming out to this great free in-store performance. You will not regret this amazing band. And last but not least for Friday night, Freaky Fridays Blood Rage at Enzian Theater. All right, guys, if you want to find even more amazing events for your weekend or for any day, make sure you go over to our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page. On our page, you will find linked at the top of the page every single day an event post. So if you're looking for art, comedy, music, maybe you just want to find something cool to drink, all kinds of great events and fun activities going on here in our city. And we put that post up every single day. So make sure that you ring the bell so that you don't miss whenever we post our videos. All right, guys, you know what that means. It is time to heat things up, get a little excited for our weekends and Saturday. All right, guys, 9 a.m. Halloween Dog Walkathon and Canine Costume Contest at Crane's Roost Park. $20 to $25 will get you into this amazing fun time. 10 a.m. Makers Fair, Orlando 2022 at Central Florida Fairgrounds. Guys, if you want to have the most amazing time ever, seeing the things that people can build and do, maybe you want to watch some robots duke it out, come check out this amazing Makers Fair. There's always so much cool stuff every year, so come see what people can make. 10 a.m. on Saturday, Sci-Fi Pop Fest at Lake County Fairgrounds, Eustis. $7 to come on in and enjoy an amazingly unique festival. 11 a.m. Saturday, Fall Festival at Southern Hill Farms. 12 p.m. Orlando Local Makers Pop-Up at Makers Mart on Mills Avenue. Come on out to this great free festival. All right, guys, 2 p.m. This one's super important, guys. Get out the vote block party at Washington Park Library. Guys, it's time to step up. If you're old enough to vote, get out there, let them know what your opinion is, and pick the most worthy candidates. Come on out, do your research, and you could be helping out picking our next leaders. 6 p.m. Fox Fest at Rollins College. Free up to $10 will get you into this amazingly fun, musically enticing festival. 7 p.m. Fatal Frames, Primal Instinct, Cadence, Transcendent at Uncle Lou's. Come on out for this free show. We'd love to have you supporting our local musicians. 7 p.m. on Saturday, Blitz Kid, Call-In Dead, Casket Culture at The Haven. $15 to $50. Bring it on in and enjoy a fun time. Last but not least, for your Saturday night, the Banshees of Inisherin at Enzian Theater. All right, guys. Make sure you come out and follow me on TikTok, guys. We're looking to give people shout outs. If you have a local business, a small business, maybe you're just somebody who does art or comedy or what have you here in our community. Are you a poet? Whatever, it doesn't matter. Hit us up on TikTok. I'm at Amanda Irene Hope. I am always looking forward to sharing you out with everybody so that you can enjoy getting a few new friends and letting them see what it is you do here in our community. So let's work together and get those shout outs. All right, guys, let's do it. Sunday. 10 a.m. 51st Annual Fall Fiesta in the park at Lake Eola Park, and it's free. 10:30 a.m. Bubbles, Brunch, and Burlesque at Bitters and Bottles. $10 to $15 will get you into this amazingly delicious bubbly event. 11 a.m. Orlando Japan Festival at Kissimmee Lakefront Park. Coming out to this amazing free festival where Japan is the spotlight. 11 a.m. International Food and Wine Festival at Epcot, going on now until November 19th. 12 p.m. Uncomfortable Brunch audition at Enzian Theater, one of the most infamous, impactful, and gut-wrenching Japanese horror films ever made, returns to the big screen. Come on out and enjoy the most uncomfortable brunch you can imagine, but sort of fun. 12 p.m. on Sunday, the Drop-In Pop-Up Skate Park at Sideward Brewing Company. And it's free, so come on out, grab your board, and enjoy this amazing event. Unique and probably some of the most amazingly delicious beer you'll have. 2 p.m. Repossessed at Mandel Theater, Lowndes Shakespeare Center. $12.60 to $44.10 to get you into this amazing stage production. 6 p.m. Best of Luna at Art Saki Studio. $15 Fridays through Sundays till November 19th. 7 p.m. The Red Elvises, Lily, and the Blood Spitters at Will's Pub. $8 coming out and support these amazing local peeps. 8:30 p.m. Tom Papa at Alexis and Jim Pugh Theater, Dr. Phillips Center for the Performing Arts. $39.50 and up will get you into this amazing show. All right, everybody. Well, make sure you drop us a comment. Let us know all about your Halloween and what your happenings are going to be for the fall season coming up. And here's where you can find us on all of our platforms. Peace. We'll catch you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.